All right, I thought someone was in my house this morning when I woke up. It was just the wind coming through my range oven vent. Oh my gosh, it was so loud.
It is spooky season.
Well, yeah, I was like, gosh, what's going on? Did I leave a door open? No, it was just the wind.
I mean, they're howling out there this morning.
It is ripping this morning, gusting to 40. We've seen that off and on across central Oklahoma, back to the west. So it's above 30. You really hear it, you feel it. It's kind of that nuisance wind, and that continues all day, guys. All day.
Poor firefighters, man, they've had it.
It's dangerous conditions for those on the ground for sure. Our storm trackers have been out. Jim Gardner's been in the air with fires yesterday, fires last week. Hopefully not again today. The burn bans are still in effect across all the counties in red. I think at last count it was 44 counties under a burn ban. K County was added yesterday. We had that big fire up in Logan County yesterday under a burn ban. So not sure how these got started. A lot of times we don't ever find out, but please be careful. There's relief coming. There's a look at the fires that were burning yesterday. Let me show you some of the video. David Payne, of course, was cutting in, bringing you those updates. You can see the big fire NATO starting there on the horizon. Just very thick smoke. And anytime we get these kind of fires, I know for a while Highway 33 was shut down yesterday near Langston. 412 was shut down east of Enid. Please don't drive into that smoke. We've had some horrible, catastrophic collisions due to wildfire smoke on some of our Oklahoma highways and interstates. Hopefully we're not back into a scenario like this today, but the conditions are similar. The humidity is higher. Let's take it back to the maps and let me show you what's going on as far as the conditions today. The humidity yesterday was down to about 10 to 15%, especially in the west. Today it'll be 30, 40, 50%, which slows down that spread rate some, but still with the wind, the dormant vegetation, the drought, fire danger should be on the top of your mind for sure. 30s to 40s for gusts. That's your mile-per-hour wind gusts. 45 to 55-mile-an-hour gusts in the northwest, and it goes on all day. It goes on tonight. It goes on into tomorrow. But by tomorrow evening, the winds are backing off as the system nudges closer. Heavy snow in the Rockies, moisture surging in. You can see that plume of moisture and cloud cover coming out. Now, the clouds are going to be around for a while this morning. More clouds than yesterday. Winds are gusting 25, 30. If you're traveling on those east-west roadways, it's a white knuckle kind of ride. Watch the high-profile vehicles. Watch the semis for sure. It's tough for them heading out today for sure, and it goes on all day. 60s and 70s for current temperatures. Our record warm low in jeopardy this morning. It's 67 degrees. We've got 80s for highs. I don't think we'll break records today. Lower 80s, few degrees cooler than yesterday. And this is what we're talking about. Our latest severe timing. We're talking about your wind, and we're also talking about how much rain, because the moisture is plentiful on your 9-day. It doesn't get here today. Today is still dry, low 80s, but we've got a storm coming down I-40, the next one right on its heels, the next one coming out over Russia into the Pacific, and that will bring us round after round on your 9-day. I want to start with Future Next Gen. Take a look here at the timing. I've already had so many questions from folks. When's the rain get here on Wednesday? Now remember, not everyone gets in on the action. We'll have a few showers, maybe a few thunderstorms around tomorrow morning. And then as the main upper wave swings out, a broken line of supercells or rotating storms tries to take off. They will race to the east, so rainfall out of them won't be as impressive if they were slow moving. And also, not everyone gets the rain. We may have one storm in the metro and storms to the north and south. We'll have to see. If Will Rogers World Airport, by the way, doesn't get a drop of rain, goes down in the record books as the driest October on record. But we hope all of central Oklahoma, most of the state, gets in on this rain tomorrow. It pushes to the east. If you don't get rain tomorrow, more chances are likely heading into the weekend. We'll time this out. Trackers will be out. And then we're dry Friday. We're dry on a Thursday for Halloween as well. Waves of rain taking you into the weekend all the way into Tuesday of next week. That last system exits on Wednesday. So lows tonight will be in the mid-60s, may have a few thunderstorms tonight, and then tomorrow highs in the 80s behind the dry line. Extreme fire danger. Humidity back down around 10% tomorrow. We will have a chance, 20% chance of a few thunderstorms tomorrow morning, higher chance in the southeast, and then the real deal, the main energy comes out and those storms start to take off, likely through central, southern, eastern Oklahoma, becoming more of a squall line developing, and there will be a risk they are severe. Large hail, damaging winds are the main concern. Hail could be quarter, maybe up to golf ball. Not every storm is severe tomorrow, and definitely not every storm producing golf ball size hail, but it's a possibility. And then there will be a risk, and it's very low tomorrow, for tornadoes. This is the latest tornado zone through Oklahoma. As those isolated storms take off, then it forms more of a line off into eastern Oklahoma, and we're dry by I keep saying Thanksgiving. How many times have I said that this week? So I'm annoying myself. Halloween is Thursday. 60s and 70s, and then we will have rain moving back in. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 60 to 70% chance of rain. Many areas, guys, will see 2, maybe even up to 4 inches of drought denting rain. Back to you.